What we've done is we've had Onduline in the day, giving us a little CPD session in the classroom, a bit of theory behind low-level slating and tiling, which has been a problem for a lot of roofers over the years, me myself being self-employed for many years.
Today we started by looking into some practical examples of the product installed, and then we also went through our installation guide. After the training we then came down here where we actually cut some product up and we installed it on the roof, and we actually then finished the roof by putting tiles on top.
Well, it's massively important for students because it's some of the things that they will come across. It's moving forward because a lot of people nowadays they're not moving at home, they're building an extension on. So this type of things where it's going to come in handy for them. So they're not going to be standing scratching their heads about it, they're going to be knowing what to do and what the solutions are.
Well, it's nice to see that young people are getting into roofing and taking it seriously, and the guys here are extremely talented.
The students have found it very interesting. Like I say, they're not used to anything like this. This is the first time they've had a go with something like this, and they've shown a lot of interest and they've had a lot of questions.
I found it very good, learned a lot of things while being taught by everybody here.
It went well. It was different to what I normally do, so it was interesting.
I would recommend this for other people and other young people like me to go and learn, because you end up getting experiences in life.
Using Onduline, it's fantastic, it's brilliant. There's always someone there to answer your questions, and also if you've got any queries about it, it's a case of I can just pick the phone up or an email and I've got the answers there.
Overall, it was a very successful day. Loads of questions asked and loads of practical knowledge gained. If you're interested in knowing more about the product or interested in attending one of our CPD seminars, then please get in contact.